Om Shanti and welcome to Paramjyoti Yoga. Om Namah Shivaya. Adi Yogi Namo Namaha. Let us start the yoga day. Today, let us start with one of the most beneficial asana series which will benefit the whole body. These are called micro exercises or Sukshma Vyayam. These micro exercises are designed to benefit from the head to the toe. They give subtle and ample exercise for every part from the head to the toe. These micro exercises can be practiced while sitting on a chair, standing, or while sitting on the ground. However, remember you are the best judge for your body. So, whatever videos you are seeing here, decide for yourself. If you are experiencing any extreme pain or discomfort, do not continue the practice. Also, it is advisable that if you have serious health complications, take the advice of a doctor. Let's start the yoga session with this prayer. Please repeat in your mind. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanao Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahaihi Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahaihi. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Now rub your palms. You will find that heat has been generated. Now apply that heat gently to your face and mentally get prepared for the yoga session. Let us start with eye exercises. Make your eyes really big. Look right, left, right, left, right, left. Maximum 3 times and gently close your eyes. Again, make your eyes big. Look up, look down, look up, look down, look up, look down. Again, gently close your eyes. Remember, you are always the best judge for your body. Next, again, open your eyes really big. Rotate them clockwise in 3 times. Remember that at any point if you are feeling dizzy or you are getting headache, you are feeling nauseated, please stop the practices. Then rotate them anti-clockwise also 3 times. These eye exercises strengthen the eye nerves, and in children especially it improves their concentration, it improves their focus. Now after practicing these asanas, close your eyes gently. Next, let us do exercises for the face. Usually people do not focus on doing exercise for the face. Mostly people are about abdomen, back, though they are very important. But actually if you observe, the face has the 5 senses which we use every second, and it also hosts the eyes, the nose, the tongue, the teeth, the ears, the cheeks, without which a human being cannot imagine their existence. So let us start. First, take air into your mouth and inflate your cheeks like a balloon. Then again, squeeze your cheeks inside. Repeat like this for 3 times. This helps in blood circulation. It helps also in keeping you active. Next, we will do exercises for the teeth and the tongue. Doing these exercises helps in a healthy production of saliva, which is the starting point of the digestive process. It also helps with sensitivity of the teeth, of the gums. So let's start. Now, stretch out your tongue as much as you can and then fold it inside. When you fold it inside, make sure that the tip of the tongue is touching the roof of the mouth. Repeat this for a maximum of 3 counts. Now let us proceed to the second practice. In this, make a pipe out of your tongue and stretch it out and take it inside. Even here also, when you take inside, you have to make sure that the tip of the tongue is touching the roof of the mouth. Like this, you can repeat this practice also for 3 times. This also helps in healthy production of saliva. Next, if you can, try twisting the tongue. Right, left, right, left. This also you can do 3 times on right side and 3 times of left side. Now, let us proceed for doing exercises for our teeth. These exercises for the teeth especially are beneficial if you have sensitivity or if you have gum problems, because you are breathing in fresh oxygen and giving it ample air supply. These exercises help in strengthening the teeth as well. For this, try breathing in through the teeth. So as shown in the video, open your teeth really wide, breathe in through the teeth and breathe out through the teeth. You will feel a cold blow of air going in and out through the teeth. You can repeat this also for a max of 3 times and then gently close your lips. Congratulations! You have completed the module for eye and face exercises. Now let us start the second module where you will do exercises for your neck. But be careful, if you have any spinal or neck related problems, please do these exercises only upon the advice of your doctor. Let us start. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale and turn towards right. Inhale, come to center. Exhale left, inhale center. Exhale right, inhale center. Remember, the inhalation and exhalation are always through the nose only unless otherwise mentioned. You can repeat this also 3 times on each direction. 3 in right and 3 in left. Now, again take another inhale, exhale. Exhale, look up, try looking at the roof. Inhale, center. Exhale, look down, try touching your chin to the throat. If it is your first day, you might find it difficult, but regular practice, you will be able to achieve this. Again, inhale, center. Exhale, look up. Inhale, center. Exhale, look down. Like this, you can repeat this also 3 times, looking up and looking down. As always said, you are the best judge of your body. At any point of time, if you feel discomfort or pain, do not proceed with the asanas. Take rest and relax. Okay, very good. Now let us go to the third variety. In this exercise, we will bend our neck in such a way that the ear touches the shoulder. Again, on the first day it will be difficult, so bend only as per your limit. Let us start. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, bend so that your right ear touches the right shoulder. Then again, inhale, exhale and bend left so that the left ear touches the left shoulder. Again, inhale, come to center, exhale, right. Inhale, center, exhale, left. Inhale, center, exhale, right. Doing these neck exercises every day helps to strengthen the neck muscles. It is also good for people who spend too much time in office in sitting or who work for long hours in front of computers. Hope these 2 modules have been very helpful. Om Shanti. For many more such beneficial videos and to get more information about yoga, please subscribe to our channel and also please like and share this video. Om Shanti.